Last weekend I was in Catalonia with an official group of observers who were invited to see the workings of the referendum on independence, which had been called by the Catalan government. Now, I'm sure many of you saw the terrible scenes on your television screens of the violence used by police against people who were trying to vote. I didn't see that, but what I did see was thousands and thousands of people in Catalonia going out peacefully to cast their votes for what they want for their future, their right to decide their own future. Now, in Strasbourg today, we've been discussing this issue because, of course, it's an issue for the whole of Europe. 90% of people in Catalonia want independence. Spain says that the referendum was illegal and shouldn't have gone ahead. There has to be a way that the Catalan people can decide their own future. And so we've been calling on the European Commission, the European Union, to mediate, to help to find a way forward so that the peaceful scenes that we saw on Sunday on the part of the Catalan people to express their will can actually continue and they can build their own future.